Hi. We basically wanted to revisit you again, and we come up with a second video to answer some questions that we seem to be getting regarding the iTube motorcycle speaker. First off, we wanted to introduce you to our solution until we come out with the internal Bluetooth module to be able to use the iTube with your iPhone, smartphone, any Bluetooth-enabled device. What we've come up with is a small, what's called a Bluetooth dongle. You see it flashing blue here. You see it's very small, very light, has its own internal battery, charges off a USB port. With this, very simply, you can connect the iTube to it, and from your smartphone, that you can turn around and stream the music right from your phone, from Pandora or from playlists you already have there, right to the player itself. So rather than using the internal MP3 player in it, if you have all your music on a device already and you don't want to transfer it over, you just want to use Pandora or play, all of the myriad of radio stations that are available, you can use this device. It works very simply. You have a line-in cable that comes with this, and very simply, all you're going to do is take this device, plug this in here. It's a standard stereo jack. All right. From this point, all you need to do is plug in your iTube. And it's going to be in a line-in mode, and you'll hear it kind of pop. So now you have this device, it's mounted on your bike, and then you're going to take this, and very basically you're going to hide this. So you won't see the dongle, you'll just have the tube mounted on the bike. This can be put someplace else. You'll see here I have my phone. I'm going to bring my phone up. It's already paired up. I'm going to hit play.
I was looking for something I couldn't replace. I was running away from it
all. As you can see, I can turn it up, I can turn it down. No wires connected, and I'm using my phone the way that I should.
But you think she's a little too cold, so you act like a 2-year-old on and make it.
So again, the Bluetooth dongle, very simple device. I'm going to unplug it. You can actually use a little shorter cord too. The one that comes with it is longer, but you can actually use a shorter cord. And the other cool thing is, once I have this, I can use this with any other device, which means that if I want to take my smartphone and stream music to my home stereo, this will plug right into my home stereo. I plug in the plug, and it actually comes with adapters to plug it into my amp. So if you have music outside, say you have those music stones out in your garden, and you want to use your smartphone and stream music through that, if you connect this to the amplifier, now you've turned it into a Bluetooth system. So like all of our stuff, not only can you use it for its intended purpose, but there's a lot of other things you can do. So that's the Bluetooth dongle. If you're interested in adding that to your order, by all means shoot us an email, and we can add it to the invoice for you. That said, the other thing we wanted to talk about was using the device in general and putting songs on the device. They have to be in the MP3 player mode. We keep getting people saying, I'm putting my music on this, it's not seeing my music, and what they're doing is most times they're coming out of iTunes and they haven't converted their music from MP4 files, which is unfortunately what Apple converts your music to because it's very proprietary, to MP3s, which is the accepted standard just about anywhere you download music. So you have to export that music out of iTunes, convert it to MP3, and once they're MP3s, you connect it to your computer, and it's as simple as drag and drop your files onto it. If you ever connect this to your computer and it doesn't see it, you can press the M button, change the mode, and that also normally will correct any problem you have. The other thing we get on occasion is we'll get people saying, well, I unplugged my cable when I was loading music onto it and now it's locked up. It's an electronic device. It's all solid state. On occasion it locks up. There is a reset button at the bottom of the stereo plug right here. If you take a paper clip and you carefully put it down in there and depress that button, it'll reset it and normally will clear the majority of problems you have. So I just wanted to mention about putting songs on the device, how you do it. They do need to be in MP3 format, and if you run into problems, there is a reset. The last thing I want to address is we get asked all the time, hey, I'd like to add a second one. It'll add a little more volume to the bike. and I mentioned in the directions you can tether them. I want to show you how to do that. The way that you tether the device is you put one in a line in mode, so press the mode button. The light will turn orange. That's line in. The other one you're going to put in the player mode, which is green. Plug in your stereo plug to one side, to the player. Now I have my second unit. It's in the line in mode, so you'll see it's flashing orange. I plug the cable, and this cable is in your kit, so you're going to end up with two of these. Now you can see they're tethered together. I can put them on the bike. This one's the one that's the player. This one's the one that's slaved. All I got to do is tap the one, press and as you can see, it definitely helps overall with the volume. So one is nice, two is better. If you want to know can you tether it or you don't know how to do it, one in the MP3 mode, one in the line in mode. Use the included cable. Like I said, most of the attachments we give you, and you're going to be all set to go. And for this installment, I hope that helps you. I hope that answers some questions as far as files, tethering. I wanted to show you the Bluetooth module, which is a pretty cool thing. And again, you get a lot of different uses out of this. If you have any questions, contact us via email or a tech support line that's listed on Amazon and on eBay. We're always looking for distributors, so if you're interested in having a motorcycle shop, jet skis, four-wheelers, again, this device, as you know, will work on everything. Golf carts, and you have the ability to, and you'd like to add this to a product in your retail outlet, contact us via Amazon or eBay, or our tech support number, or you can find us at firehousetechnology.com. Thank you for your time. And as we change and update models, look for new models to come and look for more videos to come. Thank you. From Firehouse Technology to you, I hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.